Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Anand. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic. Actually, it's going to be about two important topics which I am going to talk about in this video. So, one important topic is nothing but coronavirus vaccine and a new strain which has appeared in UK. So, this is the first thing which I am going to talk about. And the second important thing which has been happening for the past couple of weeks is nothing but about birds flu which has been prevalent in India. So these are two important topics which I am going to talk about. So let me get into the topic right away. So first thing which I am going to talk about is coronavirus vaccine and a new strain of vaccine, coronavirus. So if you see, it is a very positive news about the coronavirus, especially in India. Why? Because, as I mentioned before, already a vaccine has been created by many governments of many countries including India. But now what has been happening in India is ready to give vaccines around 30 crore people who has been living in different states and different parts of India. Why? Because two vaccines has been approved to give across the state of India. The two vaccines is nothing but one is Covaxin and other one is Oxford vaccine which has been created in UK. So this is a very positive news because we have been starting to control the coronavirus cases, and even if we give the vaccine, I hope it will be more controlled in India. It is nothing but why I am telling this, because as of now when I am recording this video, the number of coronavirus cases is around 18,000 and the Tamil Nadu coronavirus cases has dropped below 800 after a very long time. The exact number of cases of coronavirus 790. So we hope that India will produce the vaccine and start giving the vaccine by this month end. Because what the government has said is they got approval from everywhere including DGCA, and they are even ready to do a dry run in India and produce the vaccine by this month end. So you may ask, who are going to get the vaccine first? So to answer your question, first they will give to the air-trained workers like doctors, nurses, compound workers in the hospital, those who all are working in the hospital, they will be getting the vaccine first. The second priority will be to municipality workers such as policemen and police officials, government persons and municipality also. Next, the third priority will be given to the elderly people whose age is above 55, and then only the vaccines will go to the others. So what India has decided is, in order to give the vaccines, first of all you have to register it online, and then they will tell you where to collect the vaccine and put it. So this is about the starting about the vaccine. At the same time, in UK, last month around 28 like that, UK has found a new strain of virus where it is more dangerous compared to the old coronavirus because the new coronavirus in UK is spreading so fast in such a way that UK has again gone into a lockdown, the highest form of lockdown. So, not only that, even other countries, including India, have obtained the new form of coronavirus. So far, according to the latest reports, around 50 people have obtained a new strain of coronavirus from UK. You may ask how. Basically, they have just traveled from UK to India. Not only that, even in South Africa, they have found other new strain of coronavirus where it is more deadly in such a way that it kills most of the people. So this is a bit sadder part. The second important topic which I am going to tell you is about bird flu. So if you take for the past couple of days from last week, you may have heard bird flu virus has been spreading in many parts of India. So that's true. Many parts in like Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, that states and all have been affected with bird flu. But you needn't worry, it's just as of now, it's just transmitting between birds only, which includes ducks, chicken, crow, etc. But the Indian government has been working in order to eradicate this virus. So this is a pretty sad thing because the animals, especially the non-domesticated animals like birds, pigeons and all, they have been killing them wantonly in order to eradicate this virus, that is bird flu. So this is otherwise known as avian virus. But this avian virus has the potential to spread from animals to human beings. So we need to be a bit careful about this avian virus. One good thing is nothing but it has not entered in Tamil Nadu. But in other states like Kerala and all, it has entered. Even Tamil Nadu has banned the electric vehicles to enter Tamil Nadu from Kerala. So, as of now, the situation is under control. We need to wait and see what is going to happen. So these are two important topics which I like to say. So please, I hope you like this video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.